guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another plant video. We're doing an unboxing today. Please forgive the gloomy or like weird lighting that's going on. It's definitely gonna rain today. We're in Houston, we got some like weird weather going on, so we are going to be unboxing a package today. This is a mystery box from somebody on Facebook called Paen. I think she actually recently made a new Facebook page called Growing Pains. I'll go ahead and put it on the screen and I'll also link it down below. I'm so excited. I have heard a lot of really good things about this seller and this package. I think this package is an awesome deal. If you want more information about pricing, definitely message her on Facebook. Like I said, I'll leave her information down below, but for now, let's go ahead and jump into the box. Like I said, it's mystery cuttings, so I don't really know what I'm getting, but I did send her a list. So I'm hoping that there are some things on my list and definitely hoping that there aren't like repeats of my collection in here, but boy am I excited. Let's go. I don't know how to react right now. I haven't even looked at the cuttings, but there are definitely several cuttings in here and I just can't. I'm looking, there's one of them specifically that's like staring me in the face and I don't. Oh my god. So this little puppy is a Hoya ovalifolia. I'm gonna pronounce it that way. I am so excited. This has been on my list. I think I saw it like on eBay once and it was like really pretty and I added it to my list because it looked so cute. I feel like the like veins and like the cuteness of it isn't really coming off on camera, but it is such an adorable little cutting. I really like it. I definitely think it looks like super awesome and I cannot wait for it to root for me. Okay, let's just grab all of them. Yeah, that sounds like a good idea, right? Let's just grab all of them at once. Okay, I think I actually already have this one, but it looks very nice, so I'm pretty happy with it. This is a Dischidia ovata. It says that it's a one stripe, so I'm digging it. I like it. I enjoy. Let's move on. I'm honestly not sure what this is. I think that this is the tsangii. Tsangii. I don't know. Tsangii? I have no idea how to say it. I think that this is what this is. Some of the labels fell off, but it is a very like tiny leafed plant. I'm really liking this one. I've been into the tiny like thin sort of leaves lately. This is like really hard to capture on camera. It kind of looks like a little bit of grass. I hope that it pulls through for me and actually like likes me enough to, I guess, be an actual plant and not just a little floppy thing. But I think that that's what this is. I'm saving the best for last, I really am. Okay, so these are two repeats of mine in my collection. So she sent another surigaoensis. I actually just got one of these and I'm actually kind of happy because the one that I have isn't looking like super amazing. I moved it outside because of the leaf damage that it was having. It kind of freaked me out. I wasn't sure if it was like a fungal or bacterial thing, but either way I didn't really want it near the rest of my plant, so it's outside now, sort of just chilling. So it's really nice that I'm going to have a like nice healthy one to be able to put in like the rest of my collection and not just strictly be outside. So there's this guy. It has a really large leaf. It's still kind of soft, so I'm a little bit nervous about that because I know whenever like new leaves are shipped, it's not the best thing for the plants. But I'm excited about this guy. And then the other repeat that I got is the Hoya paen or IML 1438. But again, the plant that I have that is actually this plant is much smaller. And this leaf is gorgeous. I love that leaf. That leaf is so nice. So I'm super excited about this guy. I'm going to be putting it into the same pot as my other one. And I think that it's going to look really pretty. That leaf is so nice though. And then, I honestly can't believe that she sent this. This is insane. It's a Hoya Michele, which is what you guys are probably used to hearing it pronounced as, but apparently it's pronounced like Michael. And I think it's named after Michael Bernardo, which is one of the people in the Hoya community that has a ton of hybrids and a ton of like really cool plants like to his name. It's an amazing plant. Holy cow, I really hope that it roots for me, because if it dies, man, I feel like this plant or this cutting alone was worth how much I paid for the box entirely. Like, that's how good of a price she gave me. I actually, in one of my older like collection videos, I think I was talking about wish list plants, and I said that this plant was overrated because I didn't understand why people liked it, because I had never obviously seen it in person. Y'all, the veins on this plant, I feel like you don't see it so well on camera, but the freaking splashes, bro. The splashes. Like I said, I'm so happy with this package. Even though I did get a few repeats, I'm really happy with the overall quality and the overall price, and like this is like a deal 100%. I do know that she has like quite a lot of orders, and this probably might not I guess help that situation, but you guys should definitely go and check out her Facebook page and message her if you yourself are looking into buying a mystery box. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I am sure as heck very happy, and I can't wait for these to root. I'm so excited. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, go ahead and hit the like button down below, and if you like me or you like plant videos, go ahead and subscribe if you want to. But that's gonna be it for today's video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye!